All right, so I had to do a little bit of modification in order to get this dead on. So first of all, let's see what we're looking at. It doesn't have the mag lock in there or the armature plate, so there's going to be a big gap, of course, but we want it to be even. You know, if it's 2 inches at the top, we need it to be 2 inches at the bottom, and if it's parallel this way, we need it parallel that way on the armature plate. And then we've got that obstruction down there for where the that little post comes in, so I cut that off. And then since the armature plate, I was gonna weld a whole fat set of tabs and all this other stuff, but I was able to get an okay weld going down there. Back this up just a tad bit, going down there. And then what I did is I did a support at the top, the bottom, and then one fat one there in the middle, so that'll cover my, and then I welded the whole back of it as well too, so that's going to cover my leverage 100%. And then now all I need to do is I got to weld. This actually fell off, thank you. So now I just need to put a big fat weld down the inside of this, the top of that, and then the side of this, and then weld this. And I may end up doing a support or something like that off of the back of here. It's going to be pretty damn strong, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'll probably end up doing it. I'll probably end up put a support from here to here, just for leverage. But really, the mag lock's going to break probably before that bends. But the other thing is you don't want it to get out of alignment, so any support that you can add to it, the better. All right, I'll go ahead and get to welding this this piece and welding the mag lock plate down, and I think we'll be in good shape.